Nawaz Sharif became Prime Minister of Pakistan for the first time on 6 November 1990 to 18 April 1993. The Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was fought between Tipu Sultan and British under the General Lord Wellesley in 1799. The first Battle of Panipat was fought between Ibrahim Lodi and Babur, which took place in northern India on 21st April 1526. The Southeast Asian Treaty Organization was established as collective defense on September 1954. Pakistan's Prime Minister at the time of imposition of first martial law on October 7, 1958, Firoz Khan Noon. Pakistan left the British Commonwealth after the British recognized Bangladesh but rejoined it again in which year? In 1989. Yahya Khan issued a legal framework order under which the first ever general elections, the scheduled general elections were postponed and finally held on 7th December 1990. The East India Company itself dissolved by the Act of Parliament in which year? 1874. The Great Tragedy was written by whom in 1971? Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. The capital of Tipu Sultan, Fateh Ali, where he died while fighting Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was Seringapatam. The Public Representative Disqualification Act was promulgated by Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan 14th January 1949. The Cabinet Mission reached Delhi on 24th March 1946. Separate electorate system was introduced by the Morley-Minto reforms of 1909. Lord Clive defeated Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowla in which battle in 1757 and captured Calcutta, Battle of Plassey. The author of book The Sole Spokesman, Jinnah, the Muslim League and the Demand for Pakistan is Aisha Jalal. Which amendment to the Constitution 1973 declared Ahmadis as non-Muslim? Second Amendment 1974. The last constitution of British India was Government of India Act 1935. Who appointed a new governor and recalled Muhammad bin Qasim? Sulaiman bin Abdul Malik. Who fought against Akbar's Deen-e-Ilahi? Sheikh Ahmed Sirhindi.